the second place winner of Godiva Unsigned at the door. I'm so pleased with this. Ladies and gentlemen, the second place winner, it's the Black Sheep family. They're through to the next stage of the competition. Yeah. Wait a second. Who thinks should be first? Who do you think? I can't hear you. Cue music! The winner of Godiva Unsigned here at the Dogging Commentary, through to the next stage of the competition.